Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about, however, don't actually have the foggiest idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Nonetheless, it has shown a great deal of commitment and is presently one of the 30 greatest digital currencies on the planet. Likewise, with some other cryptographic money, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin money will be a wise venture. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment, also as incredible possible ease of use, can assist with keeping its cost above water on the off chance that the market slumps. Our continuous BCH to USD cost update shows the ongoing Bitcoin money cost as $124.40 USD. According to our Bitcoin money cost forecast, BCH cost is supposed to have a 3.46% decline and drop as low as by April 10, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 79%, with a trepidation and veracity list score of 61. Over the most recent 30 days, Bitcoin money has had 17 30th green days and 4.86% cost unpredictability, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money is $121.10, and BCH is by and by position No. 28 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Bitcoin money is $2,343,275,615.58, with a market cap of $19,349,425 BCH. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $1.70 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, BCH has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 9.18%. Bitcoin money has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of BCH has expanded by 11.67%, adding a huge typical measure of $14.13 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin money will be $168.81. The most extreme level that the BCH cost can reach is $201.01. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $173.79. Likely return for capital invested, 57.6% by BCH value conjecture for February 2023 in light of the value changes of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $130.60 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $118.16 and at $134.33 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 5.3% by WALK 2023. Bitcoin money value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the BCH cost in WALK 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $130.85, while the greatest could reach $140.86 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin money may be around $135.82. It can drop to $133.57 as a base. The greatest worth may be $147.65. Likely return for money invested, 15.8% by May 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate around mid-year 2023. The BCH cost will be exchanged at $142.70 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin money worth to $153.19. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $136.48 in May 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment, 20.1% by BCH value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitcoin money costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023. $146.98. The most reduced and top BCH rates may be $140.76 and $160.32. Likely return for money invested, 25.7% by July 2023. Bitcoin money value figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the BCH cost will be around $149.92. In July 2023, the Bitcoin money cost might drop to at least $143.70. The normal pinnacle worth may be $167.67 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 31.5% by BCH value gauge for August 2023. Having examined Bitcoin money costs, digital currency specialists expect that the BCH rate could arrive at a limit of $175.17 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $148.20. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Bitcoin money is almost $154.41. Likely return for money invested, 37.4% by September 2023. Bitcoin money value conjecture. Around mid-2023, the Bitcoin money cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $159.04. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the BCH cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $152.82 and $181.34. Likely return on initial capital investment, 42.2% by BCH value estimate. For October 2023, market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Bitcoin money worth won't dip under at least $157.59. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $187.71. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $163.81. Possible return for money invested, 47.2% by November 2023. Bitcoin money value gauge. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of BCH costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Bitcoin money will be around $194.26, with a chance of dropping to at least $162.51. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $168.73. Possible return for money invested, 52.3% by BCH value figure. For December 2023, in view of the value changes of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $173.79 in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $168.81 and at $201.01, separately. Likely return for capital invested, 57.6% by Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin money in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Bitcoin money will be around $250.52. The most extreme expected BCH cost might be around $290.38. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $257.47 in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is $300.